Hello and welcome to our channel. Today in this video I will install UV on Windows 11. So UV is a package manager for Python. To install UV, just go to the Google and search install UV and you will find the documentation here. So here they have given it for Linux and Mac OS as well as for Windows. So you need to copy this and run into the terminal. You have to copy this command and run into the terminal. Open the PowerShell and run it in the terminal. Now it is downloading the UV and it is installed now. So UV is installed correctly. Now I will show you how you can now go to the terminal and run the command UV init. So it will initialize the project. So initializing the project 2, then next you need to create the virtual environment UV venv venv. So it created the virtual environment. Next we need to activate. To activate, this is the command .venv script / activate. So venv is activated now, and now I will show you how you can now I will create the requirements.txt. And here I need to install these two libraries. So I will type into the requirements.txt and then run the command uv add -r requirements.txt. So it will download and install all these requirements into the virtual environment. So that's it, it is downloaded and installed. So in this video I showed you how you can install UV on Windows 11 and then create a virtual environment and install libraries using requirements.txt. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.